Hi everyone, how are you guys today? Joe Perez, Flipping Unleashed. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're coming to another project. I figure I can sit in my office and teach you guys all kinds of stuff, or we can go out in the field and show you what it's really like to be out there being a real estate investor. So today we're in this area of Los Angeles called Mount Washington, which is about 10 minutes from downtown LA. It's a really cool area, kind of a growing hipster area. This home is in the hills and it's got cool view, total fixer. This is the first time that I've seen it since I closed escrow. So let's see what's going on. So as you can see, the seller still hasn't got all their stuff out. That car is sitting over there. There's one of my guys over there. Now, one of the things that they did get done during the 2 weeks that the seller stayed in here, there was a big tree over here. We got rid of that tree, so it really opened up this area, made it look like a lot bigger. And part of the reason is because we want to convert that garage over to living space. And one thing about LA, when you convert garages over to living space, they make you create like additional parking elsewhere, like carports and things like that. So our plan is to create additional parking over here in this area. So, as you can see, it's an older home. It needs a lot of work, but do not get it confused. These older homes that need a lot of work are in very expensive neighborhoods. This home, when I'm done, I hope to get one upwards of $1 million easy all day, all night, you know? And you can see across the street, they got a big old project over there. They're cutting into the hill, and they're building a really nice home there. That's what the home's gonna look like over there. There's a demand for housing, so this home, when I'm done, I think you guys are gonna be amazed to see what I get for it. So, okay, so let's go inside. You can see all the cracks and everything. We knew it's gonna have foundation issues, so we're gonna have to do a lot of foundation repairs. But come in here. Now, this floor literally goes down like this, and I can literally feel myself run down. But look, this is the $1 million shot. Bam! That's why I bought it, and that's why I was eager and I was aggressive to get this deal. That right there, look at that view. So let's go over here. You can see all this is old. That's fine. We're gonna gut it out. When this wall is gone right here, we plan on making this area really big. We'll have to do some designing because we're gonna lose some cabinet space. I gotta be careful what I'm touching because on this one, my hands came back sticky. So I guess you can call that a job bonus. But always carry sanitary wipes and hand soap in your car. So yeah, we'll have to figure out where to get the new cabinets. The washer and dryer are over here, but I'm not a big fan of washer and dryers in the kitchen, especially in a home that you want to command well over $1 million for. So I got one of the gentlemen I work with. Get a shot of him. Brian, since this guy's been doing some, go ahead, say hi to the camera. He's been doing some incredible camera gymnastics to get out of every shot. He's been running around, so I figured let's just get him in. So look, it's not a very big backyard. I wish it was a bigger backyard, but we're gonna address that issue. One, look, you can't buy this. You can't fix that. Look at that view. And I don't know how the heck the old owner lived here for so many freaking years, like all their life. She was like in her 50s, right? And they never had like any kind of fencing up. She said it was fine, it worked for them, but that's not really me. That doesn't work for me. I get uncles who get drunk and they get sloppy, and me as kids, we test the waters, and as you can see, you fall on this thing, you're not gonna fall straight down, but you're gonna be rolling for a long time. So look, if you come over here real quick and look at that house, you see that deck over there? That's what we're gonna build here. Imagine having this beautiful deck. You talk about entertainer's delight. Imagine having coffee in the morning, a glass of wine at night with some neighbors, friends over, and you have this beautiful view. And what I love about the view, it's perfect in the sense that it's very picturesque, but you're not close enough to the freeway where the noise is gonna bother you. You can't hear the cars, but you can see it. So you have like mountains, canyons, freeway, and probably even a little bit of some of these homes generating light at night. All that combined, this is what I'm banking on. This is why I bought the place. And one of the goals too is you got to capitalize on that view. A lot of this is going to be glass. I don't know if we're going to put not French doors, glass doors, sliding doors, big windows, whatever, but we're going to get a lot of glass over here for sure. And this is going to come down for sure. It's going to come down, probably get rid of that concrete. We're going to make this place look really nice. And then there's the side of the house. Definitely I've got my work cut out for me though. When you look at stuff like this, you know it needs some work. It's an older home, it's an older area, but it's a nice area. Hopefully we can get rid of this thing too. Like I said, the whole idea, and possibly, I don't know, we'll find out what's gonna happen with this one, but we need to open this thing up as much as possible, you know? Then you have the obvious, the acoustic ceiling. I'm gonna get rid of all that. They don't make bathrooms like this anymore. If I'm not mistaken, the other side of this right here is a closet. So we're gonna knock out that closet and we're gonna expand this to make it a really big kick-ass shower. So this is gonna be one of the bedrooms. I believe over here there's gonna be a connection in the garage, which I think is right next to us. Yeah. So then there'll probably be like steps to go down here, and that garage is going to be the new master. And I say I hope so, hopefully, because we still got to get it permitted. You never know with inspectors and cities how they feel, but we feel very confident, 70, 80% confident that they're going to approve our plans as is, okay? Because it's really key out here. Living space, which is called GLA, gross living area, is really important. You create a premium, and that garage is about a 20 by 20. That's 400 square feet. If I can add that, another 400 square feet, and this home is about, I think, 1,300, that's 1,700 square feet. So this is some work they were doing in here. Big shower, if you look. Very big shower. So we'll definitely capitalize on that. Looks like they started something, but not sure why pink tile, but to each his own. And then once again, I can feel it taking me, but look at that. That's the money shot. This is the shot where, in that magical moment, you grab your significant other and you say, baby, I love being married to you. It was totally worth it. And you enjoy that glass of wine. And you enjoy that. And that's what I want to sell. That's what I want to convey with this place. We're gonna, like I said, open up this wall, make it almost all glass. And that view, like I said, it's a really nice view. And then, you know, your typical older closets. We're gonna be doing a lot of work on this home for sure. We're gonna do a lot of work. You can see there's a lot of movement issues, you know. California, you got a lot of seismic activity and things happen. So let me look up here. We'll have to replace and repair where necessary. We'll pull our permits. We'll do it all right. Let's go take a look out in front. Man, ¿cómo está esto? As you can see, the garage is going to need some work. Some pretty good cracks in here. So this will probably lead to that closet in the master bedroom I was talking about. That'll probably be like the entrance into here. This is the level of the house, huh? Yeah, so it'll have to, this have to come up. Here's the side. I think the property line runs all the way to that piece right there. Or to the fence. We'll figure it out. So yeah, we'll have to do something to this. The windows too. Looks like there's gonna be a ton of termite issues. It's a lot of work. We'll have to repair all this stuff. Let me just show you guys something real quick about this neighborhood. This is what I mean about LA, certain areas. Look at this home right here, right? Obviously it's in original condition, it's well kept, well maintained. And then all of a sudden, You look over here and look at what these guys did. That's a brand new home. Look at those stairs that come up. Look at that. And they were smart, they built it up high. I mean, that's like the equivalent to like easy 3 floors. And the reason is because they wanted to get the view. They probably have a really nice view. And you see, this is what I mean though. In LA, you're gonna have those kind of neighborhoods where you got like this beautiful brand new built home, you know, that's probably can go for, I don't know, upwards of a couple million more, surrounded by other homes. Like I know for a fact that one over there just sold for 800,000, you know, but that one is a fixer. As you can see, look at the gravel roof and all that. It's got to be fixed up, but look at this guy. I mean, if you get to the side of it, look at that foundation on the thing. Look at all that concrete there. I mean, it's just a gargantuan thing, and it looks beautiful. Normally, houses on this side of the street don't have a view, so they don't always command a high enough value unless these guys build high enough to overlook the homes on the other side of the street. And this, by the way, I gotta give my designer, I feel like this is all dead space. There's gotta be something maybe we can do to it. Something that we can expand out or something, I don't know. But I feel like it's all dead space. But other than that, I'm gonna show you guys everything step by step, and you can see from beginning to end exactly what the whole process looks like, all right? So you guys stay tuned, and once again, if you like the videos, if you like the content, please subscribe. Please like the videos, and please keep supporting me so I can keep doing all this wonderful stuff for you guys, okay? Thanks, and have a good day.